Bullish Jasme coin, Jazzme, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.029546 and $0.064345 by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasme could reach $0.029546 by 2025. Bearish Jasme coin market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.005253. Jasme coin, Jazzme, presentation. Jasme coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the non-exclusive construction of a market, the digital money market continues developing and fanning out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding, with this constant advancement and development, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasme coin, Jazzme. Jazzme stage fills in as an information security convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and plans to go about as a mediator for the safe trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces, PDL. This guarantees that information isn't effectively gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and consumed estimates. In this video, we'd investigate the idea of Jasme coin, Jazzme. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this passing winding, and what's the cost gauge for Jasme before long? What is Jasme coin, Jazzme? Jasme coin is an Ethereum-based, ERC, coin and local badge of the Jasme stage, a Japanese organization that Kunite Kondo made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets, consequently enhancing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jazzme applications. Jasme applies to on-chain exchanges as it gives a stage to people and organizations to move tokens involving computerized gadgets as evidence of significant worth trade or installment for administrations. Jasme is applied to move tokens later or during an exchange as installment for administrations presented on the convention. Jasme can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, Solo Centripay, a SensNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and coordinated by Jasme, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasme likewise fills in as a framework that empowers information trade among organizations and organizations, as they plan to fabricate a remarkable period of data. This multitude of utilizations referenced above demonstrate that the utilization instance of Jasme both on-chain and in reality is serious areas of strength for that interest in the token won't disappear yet rather increment over the long haul. It's a decent coin to purchase for a wise venture portfolio. In any case, this isn't monetary counsel as you're encouraged to do all necessary investigation. Jasme coin, Jazzme, current cost. Jasme coin is right now worth $0.006566. Jazzme has moved -5.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $56,378,258. Jasme coin is right now positioned 461 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $31,219,842. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasme coin, Jazzme, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Jasme coin, Jazzme, value forecast 2022. Jasme coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Jazzme. The Jasme cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.009849. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. averaging $0.009192 and cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Jazzme is supposed to have a base worth of $0.007879. Jazzme coin, Jazzme, value expectation 2023. In 2023, Jazzme coin Jazzme cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jazzme will before long outperform $0.016414. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Jazzme's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Jazzme will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.013132 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.014445. Jazzme coin, Jazzme, value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.02298 and Jazzme might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Jazzme is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.021011 and a low of $0.019697 in 2024. Jazzme coin, Jazzme, value forecast 2025. In the event that Jazzme coin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados, the Jazzme coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jazzme will be green in 2025. The Jazzme is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.029546, with a base cost of $0.026263 and a typical cost of $0.027576. Jazzme coin, Jazzme, value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Jazzme cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.034142 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.032829 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jazzme has a most extreme value worth of $0.036112. Jazzme coin, Jazzme, value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.04